Sugar? Well, I just got back from doing a little morning shopping for the show, and we're gonna make a Northwest African dish. It's called Zaalouk. Zaalouk is made with eggplants. What's better than one eggplant too? Yeah, so we're gonna use 2 eggplants, a few tomatoes, fresh herbs and spices. I've got some cilantro and fresh parsley here. The way I always show you to preserve it. Clean it well, then don't bruise it. Just kind of tap some of that water off the top so it doesn't frost. Cut off your ends, stick it in some water, and it'll be well preserved in your fridge for quite a long while. Get ready for the show. It's Sugar Pearl Studio Kitchen Live, and we're making Zaalouk from North Africa. Join me. Sugar Pearl Studio Kitchen is live at 7 Eastern. Sugar Pearls, food that loves you back. Eat good, sugar.